achieve ang bouncy at no flyaway hair with this hair care tool from Stay Young. So, ang maganda dito guys is meron siyang maraming attachment. Meron siyang hair straightener, tapos para gawing curve yung ends ng hair mo, pwedeng curler. Trying out the attachment right here. This two is for curling the hair. Another one for straightening the hair. Medyo nahirapan ako dito sa hair dryer niya guys. Eto naman yung pinaka-favorite ko guys. Kasi achieve talaga yung, alam mo yung curl talaga. Curl na papasok. Now to check the products, link ko na lang in the description box.